Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to test and publish our mobile application, mainly the edit profile page and the create profile page. So at first we have to change some settings. Like you can see, you have to go to the settings, then Firebase, and in the Firebase section you have to turn this setting on, manage outside of FlutterFlow. By switching this on, you are confirming that you have properly set up Firebase storage as well as its security rules yourself. So I will turn this on. I have turned on the setting, and now we can go to the testing section and we will test our mobile app from the create account page. Now we will create an account with our email. This is a testing phase, so we are using a normal email with a normal password, and we can protect this password field by changing its security in the FlutterFlow settings. Now create account. If the account is created, we should be navigated to the create profile page, and as you can see, we will give our name. And bio, hello everyone. That's it. Now create your profile. Now we are navigated to the main page, and it's our profile. As you can see, we have no posts currently. That's why there is no post shown. So if we go to the edit profile, then you can see the initial values are already set. If we click on the profile picture, then from gallery we can choose the profile picture. And the profile picture is not visible, but your profile picture is uploaded successfully. But because you can see the profile picture's path is set to the photo URL that is already uploaded, but we need to do something else. We can set the background image as the profile picture if it's already uploaded, and the main profile picture circle image should be from the widget state, the uploaded file URL 1, and that's it. And we will do same for the background image, I mean cover photo. We will copy the cover photo path from here, and in the cover photo background container we'll change the background image. And the cover photo's path should be from the widget state. Now we are all set. We have to refresh, instant reload. This may take some time. For now we are all set, and I think this version of our testing will work correctly. Now we can go to the profile page. We can upload image from the gallery. Now you can see we have set the cover photo. And the profile picture is also now updated. Update profile. Now you can see that we can edit profile, create profile, and in the next video we will see the follower system. Now currently we have 0 followers, but if we follow some account from the other followers, like here we can follow, and the user got a new follower. Also we can like a post like this. And that's it for today, guys. We will test the next features in some other video. Now for now you can see all the features are working properly. We will learn how to remove the posts because this post contains null values. That's why these posts are continuously rendering. And you can see that we have 1 people in following and we have 0 followers. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And also let me tell you that our project is live and you can use our project from here. This is our site URL, socialmediatutorial.flutterflow app. You can directly copy and paste the URL in the web and see our live project. And our main app is anime type. This is an anime social media platform. Go to the Play Store and download anime type. As you know that we are teaching that how to make a mobile application, social media application like anime type. All the features, custom functions and everything will be taught here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.